One has to hear the sound of cough to recognize where it comes from, and various diseases will come in that area. A dry cough, how it sounds, wet cough, how it sounds. Let's look into it. You have throaty clearing cough. That's otherwise called heckling type of cough. Usually it comes from the upper airway cough syndrome like postnasal drip, sinusitis, post-viral cough, and habatic cough. And when there is a low humidity, when the children are breathing through the mouth, you hear that kind of, that sounds like this. This is the throaty heckling type of cough. Now, the second one is the barking type of cough. Usually you see in the croup syndrome, that's the involvement of the larynx. It sounds like this barking cough. This is the barking type of cough.